These are the foods I prepped on Sunday just to make eating throughout the week easier. The first dish is Korean marinated eggs. The soft-boiled eggs marinate in this sweet, savory, and spicy sauce. I love eating these with rice, and I would store it up to 7 days in the fridge, no longer than that. Next, I'm making 2 servings of Spam and veggie fried rice. The veggies I'm using are corn, carrots, green onions, and then I have Spam. The sauce is a combination of soy and oyster sauce, white pepper, and sugar. Store this in the fridge up to 4 days or in the freezer for longer. The third dish is 2 servings of miso hot pot, and I'm just adding a variety of ingredients. This dish is great for cleaning out the fridge. I kind of just found whatever vegetables I had and threw it in here. I of course prepared the miso sauce paste. Once you're ready to cook, just add hot water or broth of choice. The last dish is whole wheat waffles, which I'm going to eat for breakfast or as a snack. Waffles cook so quickly in a waffle iron, so I love preparing the batter and storing it in the fridge. I'm making a chocolate and a blueberry flavor.